Hey gems, in this video I am showing you how to do the back portion braid layouts for the crochet braids, or even if you wanted to do like a quick weave or a sew-in. This is the same. You can use this same braiding pattern to achieve the curly hair or whatever extension you want to use in the back. But since I am doing crochet, I am showing you how to do the curly crochet. Well, I'm not showing you how to do it. I'm just showing you the braid pattern. If you want to see the full video, the link will be in the comment section or the description section, so look out for that. And as you can see, I have made the hair half the top and half the back because this is a Fulani hairstyle that I am doing, and I am doing almost like a beehive. A beehive is usually going into a circle all the way around the person's perimeter until you get to nothing. I'm not doing that entire look. I'm starting off doing it this way because I like to do the invisible method of crochet when I crochet in the braid. If you haven't already, please follow me and subscribe to me on whatever platform you are watching this, and go to my other platforms and support your girl as well. I would really appreciate it. I throw out videos every week. Hit that notification bell if you are on YouTube. Subscribe on all those platforms, and yeah. But as you can see, I'm going all the way around. And when I say perimeter, I mean the perimeter of where I want the hair to like come from her. So if it's a half up, half down, obviously that is considered the perimeter, where that part that I separated from the half part to the back part. I hope this all makes sense. Is where this braid will lie. And again, if you want to see the full tutorial, it's in the link below the description or the comment section, and you can see how to do this entire hairstyle, which is the Fulani braids. You can do this on anyone, to be honest, but you can see right here I am doing the back, and then I'm going to braid this entire braid all the way down because I want it to flow into the next braid, which you will see how I do that shortly. Now I'm going to do cornrows in a sense, going straight back, and that is pretty much the braid pattern. You'll see how I feed in the last braid because I want it to be all tucked away. I don't want it to be like a whole bunch of braids that my client has to look for, or the person who's taking it down has to look for. I want it to be one braid, and that will essentially release all braids. Once you take it down, you take down that one main braid, and then you can access everything else and take down. You'll pretty much be able to see how that whole thing goes. And I'm going to also probably shoot this in reverse so you can see the takedown method. If you really think about it, if I put it in reverse, y'all really see how to take it down and how much easier it will be. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys exactly how to do this braid pattern. And not, like I said, you can use this for a quick weave, you can use this for a sew-in, you can use this for crochet, which is what I'm using it for. Also, I want to say the braid that you raise up to feed into the next braid, you want to make sure it is not tight. You're going to see me pull the braid that I pulled up down like I just did right here, to just make sure that is not pulling from the back of where it left off on the scalp, because that can cause breakage and a lot of pulling and a lot of pain, to be honest. Right here you see me tucking away that braid, which is the braid that will lead to all the braids to when time to take down. And now I'm using my latch hook and I am just feeding it through that braid. Her hair is long enough where I can just bring it all the way over, and that way she can find this braid. But this is my daughter and I'll be taking it down, and by that I know exactly how I placed it. But I have had clients not be able to find their one braid, so what I usually do is try to record it for them, and then when they take their hair down they can actually find which braid to pull down to start the releasing of the other braids. But I just do this to secure and make sure they don't cut their hair. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch the full video.